Hello everyone, this video is a market review of EURUSD on the 10th of October 2024. As usual, we're going to be starting our analysis from a higher time frame down to our entry or lower time frame. On the 10th of October 2024, we had CPI, and in our trading rule book it is stated that we do not trade before CPI on the day of. We can only look for trades after the news event has occurred, and preferably 30 minutes after at the very least. At the end of this trade breakdown video, you will have the chance to see how I executed the trade. Before diving in, please like and share this video. Feel free to comment and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Now let's dive into the charts. On the monthly time frame, EURUSD took out buy-side liquidity in the form of a previous high. The previous month's candle traded above August candle and closed within August candle's range. Using the three candle formation concept, the following candle, which is this month, was expected to expand toward internal liquidity and or sell-side liquidity. On the daily time frame, EURUSD traded into this daily fair value gap on Tuesday and started its expansion phase on Wednesday. Our anticipated bias for Thursday was therefore bearish, and our draw on liquidity was this previous low. Because our bias for Thursday was bearish, we first had to see a buy-side liquidity sweep. This could have been in the form of Asian high or London high. On the hourly time frame, EURUSD swept Asian high and traded into this order block, and this occurred during the event. Most of the time after such explosive and volatile movements in the market, of course caused by news events, I prefer diving deeper into lower time frames so I can see how the price delivers and if I can find a trade setup, provided that whatever instrument I'm looking at has traded into a PDRA. This is the 15-minute time frame, and you can clearly see that it was impossible to find an entry setup in this instance. On the 3-minute time frame, EURUSD retested the hourly order block after the news event and then gave us a market structure shift right here. After doing so, it traded into this order block, sold, and traded into this order block, which is where I found my entry. So in the live trade video, you're going to see that I entered on the 1-minute chart, and you're going to see the partial exits and eventually me closing the trade because I wasn't trying to hold it for too long. That is it for my trade breakdown video. Please stick around and watch the live trade video so that you can see for yourselves that this strategy actually works. Stay blessed until next time.